بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We will start this lecture. It's the second revision lecture. We have the worksheet for the year ended December 31 for 2017. We have the accounts and the income statement for the income statement and the balance sheet. The cash amounted to 8,800 appeared in the balance sheet, and account receivable 10,800 appeared at the balance sheet. Prepaid insurance appeared at the balance sheet for 2,800, equipment for 24,000, and the accumulated depreciation for equipment for the amount to 4,200. The accounts payable appeared for 9,000 in the balance sheet, and salaries and wages payable for 2,400, and the capital for 19,500, and the drawings in the debit for 11,000, and service revenue in the credit for the income statement 60,000, and maintenance expense for the income statement in the debit 1,700, depreciation expense 2,800, insurance expense 1,800, salaries and wages expense 30,000, utility expense 1,400, and the totals in the debit for income statement 37,700, and in the credit 60,000, and in the debit for balance sheet 57,400, and in the credit 35,100. And we will get the difference between the debit side and credit side in the income statement, and the difference appeared 22,300 as a net income, which added to the credit in the balance sheet to the amount of 22,300. And it's required to prepare an income statement, owner's equity statement, and the classified balance sheet. And second, prepare the closing entries. As we know, the PRE didn't make any additional investment during the year. We will answer this problem. First, we will start to make the income statement for the year ended in the December 31, 2017. The revenue, service revenue, amount to 60,000, and the expenses, first, salaries and wages expense for the amount 30,000, maintenance expense 1,700, utility expense 1,400, depreciation expense 2,800, insurance expense 1,800. Total expenses appear at 37,700, and total revenue 60,000, and we will get the net income equal to 22,300. And next, we will make owner's equity statement for the year ended December 31, 2017. The owner's capital in the beginning, January 1, start with 19,500, and we will add the net income which we get from the income statement amounted to 22,300 and less the drawings for the personal use of the owner for amounted to 11,000, and we will get the owner's capital at the December 31 amounted to 30,800. And next we will make the balance sheet. The balance sheet for the year ended December 31, 2017. We will start with the assets. Current assets, cash amounted to 8,800. Account receivable 10,800, and prepaid insurance 2,800. The total current assets equal to 22,400, and the equipment amounted to 24,000, and less the accumulated depreciation 4,200. The net value for the equipment 19,800, and the total assets equal to 42,200. And in the next, liabilities and owner's equity. Current liabilities, accounts payable amounted to 9,000, salaries payable amounted to 2,400, and the total liabilities equal to 11,400. And the capital, owner's equity, the capital amount to 30,800, and the total liabilities and owner's equity equals to 42,200. And in this point, debit side equal to credit side, as assets equal to liabilities and owner's equity. Second, we will do the closing entry. The first entry become service revenue in the debit and income salary in the credit for the amount to 60,000. And next entry become in the debit income summary amounted to 37,700, and in the credit many points start with the salaries and wages expense amounted to 30,000, and the credit maintenance expense 1,700, in the credit utility expense amounted to 1,400, in the credit depreciation expense amounted to 2,800, in the credit insurance expense amounted to 1,800 in the credit. All the amounts in the credit equal to the amount in the debit, which equals to 37,700. And the next entry will become from income summary in the debit to the owner's capital in the credit amounted to 22,300. And the last closing entry with us become in the debit the owner's capital in the debit and the owner's drawing in the credit for the amount to 11,000. And we end this lecture and wishing for you good luck in the exams. Thanks.